The Supplier Invoice class is used for invoices received within a company. A Supplier Invoice class doc cannot be created without linking it to a purchase order. The required fields have a red title with an asterisk. The first field to populate is the purchase order field. This links the purchase order to the supplier invoice. Once you click the Edit button, a pop-up window will appear, and you can select the purchase order you wish to link to. This will automatically populate the location, seller, buyer, and task fields, so that they match the fields in the linked purchase order. The Show All Purchase Orders Invoices button shows all the invoices that are linked to that purchase order. The Pay To field is used if payment is to be made to a different company other than the seller. The Invoice Date field is for the date the invoice was generated. The Schedule Payment Date field is for the date that the invoice is expected to be paid. The Paid Date field is for the date the invoice was paid. The grid contains all the monetary values for an invoice. The Requested to Pay values, the Approved to Pay values, the Other Paid to Date values, which are all other amounts paid against the purchase order. These are the amounts that are set in purchase orders that are linked and cannot be edited in the supplier invoice. And the Percentage Complete column, which compares the other paid to date values plus the approved values to the purchase order values. If in edit mode, you can click on any amount in the shipping, insurance, or tax row in the Requested to Pay or Approved to Pay column to edit the value. Amount, shipping, other, and tax are automatically added together to create the total values. If a user attempts to save an invoice and the total percentage complete is over 115%, a warning pop-up will appear to notify the user. The warning will also be added to the Chat tab.